What's up, guys? We're goose hunting in Pitt Properties, Fergus Falls, and we're gonna smack them today. We got a newcomer today. Never shot a bird in his life. But yeah, let's kill some geese.
I go.
Here's the blind, or the pit right here. Got the. Slide it off. We got the.
Alright. Just me.
Got the old Jingles gun right here.
We got
Breakfast for us.
At the end of the day, if a semi out of that cycle's
down here.
Pretty nice.
What are you taking?
Getting the fresh meal.
Oh, got the breakfast.
Yep. Let's go.
You ready? Yo!
Look at that concert.
I didn't even see those two. Yeah, so GoPro fell off for that one, but we got quite a few. One over there, one over there. So we got 3 now. Oh, he's got 2. One right over there, so we got 4 total. It's kind of dumb that the GoPro fell off for that one, but that was a good group. Hopefully we get some more.